Welcome to the ShahiSolves. My name is Tirsan Sahi, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a company code in the SAP S/4HANA system. First of all, what is a company code? A company code is a minimum unit in SAP enterprise structure that you must have. Without a company code, you cannot use the SAP system in your company. So, financial statement required by the law can be created at the company code level. Let us see how you can create a company code in the SAP S/4HANA system. First, we need to enter a transaction code SPRO. Enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Creating a company code is one of the activity of defining enterprise structure. So we need to go to the enterprise structure node here, definition and financial accounting, and edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click on it. Actually, there are two ways that you can create the company code. First, you can copy from already existing company code, and second, you can create it from the scratch. First of all, I'll show you how you can copy from existing company code. Click on first line here. This is the copy button. The system is asking you from which company code you want to copy it from. I'll just enter 1710, which is a standard company provided by the SAP, and two company code is our company code that we are going to create. So company code can be 4-digit alphanumeric. That is why I'm going to enter, let's say, TRJP. Enter. So system is asking you, do you want to copy the GL account company code data? Since the existing company code is already configured so that the existing company code has the GL account data. So system is asking you, do you also want to copy those GL account in your company code? So I'll click on yes. In the same way, the system is asking you if you want to copy the controlling area. Just click on yes. Since the existing company has the local currency of USD, the system is asking you if you want to change the local currency in your company code. If you click on yes, it will ask you for the currency. I'll provide JPY. Just enter, yes. It will take some time. System will throw you several messages because there are a lot of configuration in the existing company. You just need to click on yes. So this is the customizing request. Customizing request records all of the configuration that we do in the IMG screen. So you can create your own request by clicking here. You can write configuration of TRJP. You can save it like this and continue. Click on yes. Again yes. System will throw you several messages. Just click on continue. Continue. Copy. Yes. Continue. Again, yes. Since there are a lot of configuration in the existing company code, the system is trying to copy all of those into our company code. Yes. Again, yes. Finally, the company code 1710 completed to TRJP. There are some error, but we're just fine with that. You can see that company code 1710. Go back and go to the edit company code data to see our company code here. If you want to locate your company code from 917 company code here, you can click on just position here and type your company name TRJP, and this is our company code here. The company code description has been copied from the 1710. You can just change it by double click on it. TR Japan Company Limited, and the system has picked city and country information from the 1710. We need to also change this information. City Nagoya and country is Japan, and save it. This is the first way of creating the company code. Another way to create a company code is to create from scratch. So go to the second line, edit company code data here. From here we can create the new company code from the scratch. Click on new entries, give the company code name here. I will just give TYJP, company name Toyota Japan, city Nagoya, country is Japan, currency JPY, and language is English. As soon as you save it, system will ask you for the address information. So again, you need to provide the address here. The title is company, then name is Toyota Japan, search term TYJP, and the street, just enter some domain number here, ABC, and the house number is 123, postal code is this, and the city is it's Nagoya. JP country and all other sims are white. We can just save it. Click on save. Our company code has been created. Data was saved. Now you can go back and check your company code. TYJP Toyota Japan. Double click to change any information here. You can change it. If you want to see the address information, go to the address button here. This is how you can create a company code in SAP S/4HANA system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.